Alright, this is called Meet You on the Other Side. You say you had a pretty good run, outlived by 20 years everyone else with your heart problem, and that makes you really cool. And now your body's just had enough. It's a road that's been long and rough. Other than my dad, you're the toughest man I know. So I'll meet you on the other side, where there's no more pain to hide, where there's no more tears to be cried. Yes, I'll meet you on the other side. You probably don't know the impact on my life you had, and that's a fact. Willie Stardust playing on the 8-track, actually cassette, I had to make a rhyme. Drinking green apple Kool-Aid, playing cards, with both wives pregnant in the backyard. Old Screw coming up with another rhyme. This time